Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and I want to explain to you what the difference is between the AdvancedFrame Sport and the AdvancedFrame Sport Elite, because looking at this picture right here, it just looks like an AdvancedFrame Sport, right? A lot of the differences are internal. So the first awesome feature that you get is the foot brace down here. Now the foot brace, it slots inside the front of the inner tube here, and this black surface gives you a flat surface to brace your feet against. Why do you need that? It basically supports your lower back. So anyone with back issues loves the foot brace, and they love the lumbar seat, which also comes as standard in the AdvancedFrame Sport Elite kayak. So the lumbar seat looks very similar to the contoured seat that comes with the standard model, but there's actually a cushion inside here that you can inflate with a mouthpiece as you are paddling to give you that bit of extra lumbar support. And then the final piece that comes with the AdvancedFrame Sport Elite as standard is the drop stitch floor. Now this doesn't really look like much, and this comes instead of the soft floor that comes in the standard model. So the soft floor is basically a lovely cushion for your bum, but it doesn't give you any rigidity. You get the rigidity from the inner tube, and that works really well up until around about 80, 85, 90 kilograms. So if you are higher than that, or you plus dog or you plus gear is above that level, the drop stitch floor acts as a performance enhancer. It is essentially a high pressure chamber like a stand-up paddleboard, an inflatable stand-up paddleboard, sits inside the kayak and greatly enhances the rigidity of the kayak. It enhances the buoyancy too if you wanted to take more gear or increase that payload. And this kind of sums it up really well. This was Julie. We chose these kayaks because they're so light, so you get all the wonderful benefits of the AdvancedFrame Sport. It's 11.5 kilograms. It sets up in 4 minutes. It's 5 minutes for this model because you've got the drop stitch floor, which is a bit more air, and you've got a foot brace to inflate. And it paddles beautifully, so it's a really fantastic kayak. It just needs a bit of extra support for above that sort of 85 kilogram mark. Sorry, I got distracted. Back to Julie. We chose these kayaks because they were so light, 12 kilograms, and as I am much heavier than my partner and want to take a dog with me at times, I also purchased the drop stitch floor. It does the job perfectly and fits easily inside the kayak when packed. Now this is before we had the AdvancedFrame Sport Elite, so you had to go and buy the drop stitch floor as an accessory and then take out your soft floor, put your drop stitch floor in, kind of thing. So now we've packaged this up in this wonderful AdvancedFrame Sport Elite kayak where you don't have to be throwing away the unwanted floor and the unwanted seat. You get the AdvancedFrame Sport kayak standard with the inflatable lumbar support seat, the inflatable foot brace, and the drop stitch high pressure floor. If you have any questions about the AdvancedFrame Sport Elite kayak, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.